family. So we painting this up. Not a painter, but I can paint. Just getting started. I'm using this here. I'm learning a few things about this that I didn't know. If you use it with thinner, it'll shoot it out a lot faster. I don't have any thinner. This is straight, so it's not going real fast. Show you. This is a gun I actually bought from a guy for $20. I knew it was worth like $150. He was like, man, give me $20. I'm like, hell yeah, I give you $20 for it. I'm like, I can use this. Like I say, it ain't no bad gun. It ain't no real fast shot. The cover's pretty good. Nothing. I'm still getting to the bag because it's easy money. People like, can you paint it? I'll pay somebody. I'm like, man, I'll do that. You don't mind me doing it. I'm not no professional painter, but I can do it. You know? So, that's what I'm in here doing. Like I say, it ain't that bad. But it's slow. And if I could use some primer, some thinner, it'll win faster. It'll shoot out a little faster. But the one with the paint, though, it actually worked a lot better. It had the little paint. But this shoots pretty good, though. It don't need no glops, really, you know. And for what this is, it's a storage facility, you know what I mean? It ain't got to be perfect. It just needs to be nice.